You can see the best little website in Texas at www.friendlyford.com. Get bottom line pricing from our internet department. Call us 281-328-9555. Now, check this out.
Friendly Ford knows you want more than just a car. You have a purpose for your vehicle. You'll love this royal red 2010 Ford 150 with an 8-cylinder engine. Enjoy this utility truck with roll stability control, anti-theft devices, traction control system, dual airbags, airbag deactivation, vanity mirrors, and much more. Get where you need to go, enjoy the drive, and have peace of mind in this 2010 Ford 150. See us today at Friendly Ford.
Friendly Ford of Crosby is located at 2425 Highway 90 in Crosby, Texas. Browse through our complete virtual showroom at www.friendlyford.com. Call our internet department, 281-328-9555. Set an appointment, or simply come on down to take a test drive. Whatever you choose, we have a vehicle that's right for you at Friendly Ford.